A more devastating situation is unfolding than we feared. First, look at the scenes currently on your screen. These shouldn't be happening in America, but now they are. What you're seeing on your screen is from a camera set up outside someone's house, streaming live footage. The residents have fled, unsure if their home will survive. You've likely seen hurricanes before, but this is different. A fire hurricane is approaching, possibly a first for you in America now. A hurricane is coming with fierce winds. The hurricane winds have started blowing, and they're extremely dangerous. Their speed is so high that you can hardly imagine what it's like.